Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Lady B. Ganados, 36 years old, married. I have 2 kids and I have 1 brother and 6 sisters.
You are the?
4.
You're the 4th child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How old are your children?
14 years old, the eldest, and the other one is 11 years old.
Who's going to take care of them when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband.
Do you have an experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I worked 5 years in Kuwait.
How many are them in the family?
7 members of the family.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have an experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Anissa Berwar.
How many are them in the family?
5 members of the family.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years.
So you finished your contract with them too?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Washing, ironing, cleaning, and cooking.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because high salary and very nice country.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Some steamed fish, fried rice, and chop suey.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
Writing, singing, speaking English, and reading.
Can you sing a nursery song?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding upright softly and bright. Clap then softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean letter hands are good to say.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest, hardworking, and responsible woman.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I hope you give me a chance to be a helper in your family. I am a hardworking woman, honest and responsible. I promise to do my best to do my duties very well. I promise to take care to your family, especially your kids, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. And thank you very much, sir and madam. Hoping see you in Hong Kong. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.